So, okay, here we are up in Mauna Loa, and totally different vibe. You can hear the avapani, avapani birds tweeting away. This is up at the top of the road. Here's the gate, there's the truck, and there's 12th Street right out there. And so, walking down the road, on the Zillow site, it says that the lot next door is not for sale. However, if it is ever offered for sale, that the owner of that lot would give the people that live here first chance to buy it. But that's kind of, wow, that's a big traveler's poem. So there's the lot next door that they mention on Zillow. And it's kind of, this is weird. It's like, I guess you used to use that for a drive-through. But anyhow, not now, because it's gated off, and maybe just because, well, no, moving, yeah. Well, I don't know, but it's been gated off for a while. But so walking around the front of the house. It's very nicely landscaped. But you can see that the oh, look, there's a little bench back in there. I don't know why you'd want to sit in there, but if you did, there's a bench to sit on. So
don't feel any mosquitoes.
No. There's the house, and then it's like they just cleared a spot big enough in the woods for the house to go.
And it's open back here. Or the gate ends over there.
Oh, okay. So that is the front room, and there's a little chair that you can come out and sit on, a small little deck, and look up at all of this. So from that deck, now I'm standing on the deck, so it gives you a feel how close the forest is. And that is one bedroom, and that's the door out of the other bedroom. The- So going up on this deck and looking at the forest is right here. And there's a little Menehune standing down there with his hands in his pockets. Yeah, so.
There's mosquito.
Oh. Mosquito. Oh, the
Mosquito repellent.
the Minnesota. He thinks he's repelling mosquitoes, but yeah, it's just the burritos that he had for lunch. So there's the back of the house, and walking on this little trail over to this little covered gazebo. Oh. So it's quiet up here. It's very quiet.
Big magnolia tree.
Yeah. Wes pointed out there's a big magnolia tree. So if you wanted to feel like you were Scarlett O'Hara, you could pick a big magnolia and put it in your hair. Or whatever. So.
But you would have to make that green velvet dress.
out of the curtains. But I will never be hungry again, as God is my witness. Okay. So, okay. Alrighty. That's it.